costume, I think, is very important for theater. I mean, how a character is dressed when the character first walks on, when we see the character, we're going to immediately begin to understand who they are. And in the Renaissance, when Shakespeare was writing, people were very concerned about what happened to you depending on what you put on. And one of the anxieties there is around foreign dress. In that day, to put on foreign dress meant that you were going to lose your own identity. It meant in many ways that you were a traitor. So, keeping that in mind, I thought to myself, what would it have meant to Othello? How would he have been dressed on that stage, given the fact that he was a Moor, that he was other, that he came from Northern Africa, and yet here he is in the employ of the Venetian government. When we think about how he might have been dressed, there are political implications to each. If he wears his own costume, well, at least he's identifying himself as a Moor. But it really would have set him apart. Then there's all these problems with soft clothing. Soft is like women, morally weak, easily swayed, as opposed to the English dressed in this hard, sturdy, reliable clothing. But if he's wearing the English male required costume, is he a usurper? Is he taken on something he should not? Is he not allowed to wear that? How does the audience read him? But we don't know how he was dressed.